So do you think that the values of secular Judaism were something your parents were trying to pass on to you?
No question, no question. But what my parents did was understand that, and my father's mantra was, a Yid muss wissen. A Jew must know where you come from, who you are, what are your roots, what are your traditions, what are the rituals. And Yontif was Yontif at home, and Shabbos was Shabbos, but in a very, very different way. My mother lit candles. She didn't bench. My mama hat gezunden Licht, the Baba hat gebenched Licht. There's a difference. But in addition to lighting the candles, our Friday night table was probably the most Shabbosdik place I have seen to date in my life, although my home is a more traditional home, and I try and emulate what we did. But Shabbos, everything stopped. And we sat around the table. There were the four of us, and there were people who didn't have a Shabbos table of their own to go to. My mother was extraordinary in that respect. And my father would, over the week, put aside either an interesting article from the Vorwärts or from some other, or from a literary journal to read, some poetry. We would read, we would discuss, and we would sing for hours in Yiddish.